Today we're transforming Thumbprint cookies into irresistible nutty bites. These peanut butter Thumbprint cookies are the perfect balance of sweet and nutty, finished with a creamy peanut butter center. So let's get right into it. In a large bowl, mix together half a cup of softened butter, half a cup of peanut butter, 3/4 of a cup of granulated sugar, 1 egg and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Add 2 cups of all-purpose flour and half a teaspoon of salt and mix until well combined. Roll the dough into balls and place on a lined or greased baking sheet. Use your thumb or the back of a measuring spoon to make an indentation in the center of each cookie. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 12 minutes. Let your cookies cool completely and fill each one with peanut butter. Between the soft cookie and that creamy center, these little bites are impossible to resist. If you enjoyed today's recipe, make sure to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy, delicious recipes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.